Irfan Textile Limited was established in 1990 to export quality knitwear from Pakistan. This company has achieved steady growth over the years and set industry standards for quality and efficiency, and it is now one of the largest Pakistani knitwear factories. Irfan Textiles produces casual wear, young fashion, active sportswear, and sleepwear for export to the United States and Europe. In merchandising, the highly motivated team of professionals is dedicated to each buyer for customers' personal attention and order execution. Irfan Textiles has a unique distinction of being the first knitwear unit in Pakistan to get ISO 9001-2000 certification due to its in-house designing capabilities. Gerber technology is used to generate designs to conform to current trends and target customer needs. The Production Planning, Implementation and Control Department of skilled engineers uses Gerber garment technology to manage raw material and allocate production facilities for bulk production. The first production process in this factory has latest computerized circular knitting machines from Fukuhara and Terrot. These versatile production machines have capabilities of producing a comprehensive range of single and double knit fabrics. Peak, jersey, fleece, ribs, terries, textures and novelties are amongst these. The per day production is 13 tons of fabric. Being specialists of polo knit shirts and cut and sewn garments, the company uses 12 to 14 gauge machines for jacquard, welted and plain trims and rib inserts. In the data color section, the spectrophotometer helps to make the recipes of color. Spectrophotometer by data color and a complete well-equipped dyeing laboratory are indispensable assets for guaranteed results. The company attains accuracy and color matching and continuity of shades by the use of computerized color dispenser, which is fed by the recipes of spectrometer. Extensive automation in the dyeing department is used to achieve the exact color and shade. Another strength at ITL is their fabric finishing. They use the open width finishing machines from Europe, which ensure against shrinkage, bowing and hand feed. Computerized dyeing machines along with Sedomaster process control software has made the company's dyeing department production capacity of 400,000 tons per month a force to reckon with. 100% check for weight, color matching and shrinkage is conducted at this stage. The Gerber Garment Technology CAD/CAM is utilized for precision shaping of garments. Besides reducing cutting wastage, it also achieves high productivity. Irfan is a pioneer in the use of this technology in Pakistan knitwear industry. In shaping, the company has 5 teams with expert personnel for shaping the garments, with the use of computerized patterns which help in accuracy of big production runs. Besides reducing cutting wastage, it also achieves high productivity. 100% inspection of shape panels is conducted and each component is bundled together to make a complete garment. Customers can benefit from the quick developments in-house dark camera room and octopus panel printing machine. The curing chamber assures a quick drying and odor-free color fast print. 20 head, 6 and 12 color Tajima embroidery machines add embellishments to garments for value addition. A labor-intensive industry, Irfan's policy to invest in its human resources has paid off with time. This department has dedicated workers who are specialists in their stitching operation. Definitely the biggest strength at Irfan, the workers are self-conscious of quality and output. This is the final stage of the production process. The garments which pass the strict in-house quality control finally go through a metal detector for check against possibility of broken needles, etc. Company gives great attention and time to ensure that their garments are packed attractively so that they appeal to the customer. The final product is a representation of the performance of Irfan. It is important that products appeal to the customer at the first glance.